Hey guys, I apologize for the noise in advance if you can hear it. But anyway, the main point of this video, I'll show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Here we go. So you start off by aligning the cross correctly. And then you will, like this is the first half of it. And then you basically go like this. And then you have to do this and then see this. You make it like this and then you fold it back after you remove the one corner piece to make a cross like this. And then what was it again? Forget it. I'll just solve it randomly and I guess that'll work. It's not working! Die, die, die! Sorry you had to see that.